Hello there, it's Emerson from theme7.net, bringing you a little super slick demo. We've just created this awesome new theme called Super Slick, and I'm going to take you across the theme options for this radical new theme. They may or may not be a little confusing if you've just got yourself WordPress install. You've installed the theme and you're looking at it. Some of the options won't appear, like the slideshow here, as we call it. In this case, there's two slideshows, so you can see that we've only got one at this point. So anyway, you've installed your theme, and a lot of this stuff's not showing. It's sort of an empty page. What you need to do is go to your WordPress admin panel here, and under your appearance section, you'll see there's a theme options. You probably already know where it is. That'll bring you to this page for Super Slick. Well, it looks a little bit confusing, lots of options, and if you're not that familiar with it, it can seem a little daunting, but don't worry. You can't really break it. You should be able to press any of these, do just about anything within reason, and you won't break your website. So up here, you can see you've got your logo and title options. You can use the site title and tagline, which is under Settings General, which will appear as the title to the website, this one, and the tagline. But you might want to use your own logo. Most people will, but you don't have to. You can use type whatever you like in under Settings General, change it to Super Web perhaps, and Super Slick will become Super Web if you refresh Super Web. What do you know? This little section here will follow the title if you're using the default settings, just as a bit of style. And the colors will match your little monitor section here, which I'll talk about in a second. Okay, so going back to your appearance, your theme options, you can include your own logo, any URL. What I would do is upload your logo to your media library. Let's see if we can find ourselves a little logo to throw in. Let's have a look. I think I have one in here. This one. So we've got the logo there. It's a PNG on a transparent back. Oh no, it's a GIF. Anyway, doesn't really matter for the sake of this. So the file URL is this. You can then throw that into your theme options. Include my logo, click the button, paste the link, and whatever image you put in there, whatever the size, will appear at the top here. It'll remove the tagline and the little buttons there, so nothing clashes with your logo. It can be as big as this area here, or it's limited to this space though. It will push the layout out if you haven't fit it properly. So I'll just get rid of that for now. So then highlight color is this goldy browny color, and that'll change across the site if you select. So you pick my own highlights color here, then you pick your color from the picker, bright green, just for so we can see how it looks. That'll look pretty terrible, I think. Save your options. Go to your website, refresh F5, and there you have it. It's a bright green, bit garish, but does the job. You'll notice the little image over here disappears and it becomes just a little underlined button thing, just to bring a bit of color in. And in the footer, the links have changed color as well. All right, and you're going down the list. The slideshow is a main feature of the premium version. You'll see this image here is stagnant. It's just a still image. But if you enable the slideshow by, in this case, hitting auto, you'll see this image over here, if I hit refresh, will change between, I've put two images pretty much the same. Insert your message here. So if I was to put, say, copy that first image and put another one in the same folder where that one lives, you can have whatever you like in there. You can also choose to put any slideshow images you like in there. If you click the use my own slideshow images, 490 by 400 is the max. So grab an image off the web just for an example. Let's see, what have we got? Something that's nice. You look nice today. That one's probably going to be a little big. There we go. Have a nice day. Look at this. So we'll grab the URL, copy image location, which will grab the URL there. Throw that one in here, copy paste, and I'll grab a different one as well just to show you. That one's too big. That one's too big. That one might fit. Obviously, you can upload images to your own media library to copy and paste the URL into here. Save your options. Go to your page and hit refresh, and you'll notice that whatever we have there will turn over the maximum of 3 images. Now the reason why we do that is so we don't have too much bandwidth coming through on your home page there. And that's the first slideshow. You can see here under the slideshow options we've got lots of options. Slideshow with button on home page only is this slideshow. Slideshow on every page, the 2 slideshows, means that if I click that one, there's 2 different slideshows. You've got your home page slideshow, which is this one, but on your pages you can have this one, which is up to 5 images, all 960 by 300. You can do the same as with the home page, except with this one you can add captions as well, as you can see here. So use my own slideshow, add captions. The captions are the text that appears down the bottom here. You can put whatever you like in there. On the home page slideshow there is this text and a button. Now you can change all of that to whatever you want. Let's say hello world, and we'll just throw some random text in the labels. This one can be a bit longer. And the button link to URL, whichever, you might have a page or a post that you want to link to, something or even an external site. You paste your URL in there, and whatever you've put in there will change here. Totally customizable. The button label is the text on the button, but the link, as you can see down when you roll over, is the link that you want to take it to. So yeah, you can customize the website however you like. Look, your colors, your logo, your slideshow, your content. Enjoy!